In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit listings on Etsy. If you manage more than a handful of products, bulk editing can save you a lot of time and help you keep your shop consistent and up to date. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. When the results appear, click the official Etsy link. A quick tip here: make sure you're on the correct domain before signing in, and consider bookmarking the page for faster access later. Go ahead and log into your account. Use your regular credentials, and if you're prompted for additional verification, complete that so you can access your shop tools securely. Once you're in, click on your account and open your account settings. This is a good moment to ensure you're using the right profile and shop if you manage more than one. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager, which is where all your selling tools live. Inside Shop Manager, find and click on Listings in the left-hand menu. This will bring up all of your active, draft, or inactive listings depending on your view. Take a moment to scan the page so you know what's selected and what status each item has. Now select the listings you want to change by checking the box next to each one. If you need to update everything on the page, use the box at the very top to select all. Before moving on, double-check your selection count so you don't accidentally change items you didn't intend to edit. Next, click Editing Options. This opens the Bulk Actions panel where you can choose what kind of change you want to apply. From the drop-down list, choose the specific edit you need, such as edit prices, edit tags, or edit shipping profiles. Choosing the right category ensures your changes go exactly where you expect. Prices affect what buyers pay, tags influence search visibility, and shipping profiles control delivery costs and timelines. When the panel appears, make your desired changes. If you're updating prices, you can set a new amount for all selected items, or increase or decrease by a fixed amount or by a percentage. Consider rounding for cleaner pricing, and remember that price changes apply to all selected variations tied to those listings. If you're editing tags, keep them relevant and concise. For shipping profiles, confirm you're assigning the correct profile that matches your current policies. Finally, click Apply. Etsy will process your updates and apply them to each selected listing. Give the page a moment to refresh, then spot-check a few items to confirm the changes look right. If something needs fine-tuning, simply repeat the process and adjust as needed. That's it. Fast, consistent updates across your shop with just a few clicks.